In this video, we are going to discuss very important concept from NCERT textbook, and these models are very useful for that objective point of view. So that method is the substitution method. See how to do this model problems. See, this question is the integration of tan of root x whole to the power of 4 into secant square of root x whole divided by root x. See how to do this one. See here that first of all you take that this one will be root x is equals to this one you take as that t. Now differentiating on both sides, root x derivative is that what? 1 by 2 into root x into dx is equals to this value is that dt. From this one you can write that 1 by root x is equals to 1 by root x into dx is equals to this value is that 2 into dt. Now you substitute this value in the given function, that is equals to therefore integration of tan of t whole to the power of 4 into secant square of t into what is that dx value? Dx by here is that 1 by root x into dx. That value you can write that 2 into dt. See, after that you write that 2 is in outside, that is equals to 2 into integration of, tan x derivative will be nothing but what? Secant square x. So again you have to take that tan t is equals to, you can take that tan t is equals to another variable, let it be that is that u. Again differentiate tan t with respect to u. So that means you can write that secant square t into dt is equals to this value is equals to du. Differentiate with respect to t. So in that above expression you can write that u power 4 into this value will be secant square t into dt value is that what? Du. Now here you can write this one will be equals to, this is that x to the power of n. Integration of x to the power of n is equals to what? That value is that x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this value is that 2 into u power 5 whole divided by 5. So now what is that u value? This one is a 2 by 5 into u means a tan t. That value will be tan of t whole to the power of 5. What is that a t value? T is equals to root x. So your final answer will be 2 by 5 into tan of root x whole to the power of tan of root x whole to the power of 5. This value is a tan of root x whole to the power of 5 plus c. So I think everyone is clear this problem. One more question we'll see in the same model. So what is that next question? Next question will be integration of sine of tan inverse of x whole divided by 1 plus x square into dx. See how to do this problem. See, here is by observing this question, tan x is equals to t. Why? Because of tan inverse x derivative is that 1 by 1 plus x square. So here you take that substitution is put tan inverse of x is equals to this value is that t. So what is that derivative of this value? Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equals to this value is that dt. So now substitute in that above given expression, therefore integration of sin t, this value is at sin t into dx by 1 plus x square value is at what? dt. You know what is that integration of sin t? That is equals to minus cos t. Integration of sin x will be minus cos x. So integration of sin t will be minus cos t. This one we can write that minus cos of, what is that t value? Tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x plus c. So what is that meaning of c? Integral constant. Therefore integration of sin of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx value always will be equals to, that is the minus cos of tan inverse of x. See, look at this one. By using the substitution method, you can derive that some important results. What are those results? See that next one will be what is that integration of tan x? Integration of tan x into dx. This value you will prove that this value will be log of secant x. Log of secant x plus c over r minus log of this value will be the cos x plus c. Now this result we can use that in many of the problems as one of the standard formula. So how will you prove this value? See, look at this one. Here this proof. We will be derive this proof. See, here this one will be, first of all, integration of tan x into dx. You know tan is that in terms of sin cos will be integration of sin x whole divided by cos x. Sin x whole divided by cos x into dx. How to apply the substitution method in this one? Here is that put cos x is equals to t. Put cos x is equals to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of cos x is that minus sin x into dx is equals to dt. So now this minus you write that side, sin x into dx is equals to minus dt. So you replace this value in the given expression, that is equals to integration of minus dt whole divided by t. Okay, so that is equals to minus integration of 1 by t into dt. What is that integration of 1 by x? That value will be equals to log x. That is equals to minus log of t. So what is that t value? T is equals to cos x. So that is equals to minus log of cos x plus c. Cos x plus c. Now here this one is a minus log of cos x. We know that logarithmic basics. You know n into log x. N into log x, you can write that log of x to the power of n. This is one of the property. So by using this property, here this one we can write that minus 1 into log of cos x. Log of cos x. So now by using this property, you can write that log of cos x whole to the power of minus 1. Cos x whole to the power of minus 1. So okay, by this 1 by cos x whole power minus 1 means 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x value you can write that is equals to log of 1 by cos x. Log of 1 by cos x. You know 1 by cos x value, that you can write that secant x. That is equals to, this value will be the log of secant x plus c. This one is that final result. So ultimately, that what is that integration of tan x into dx? The result will be, first result will be, what is that first result? The first result will be integration of tan x will be log of secant x plus c or minus a log of cos x. So anything you can be used while doing that integration problems wherever you require that integration of tan x. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear this one. Next, one more question in the same model. What is that question? Integration of, next one will be integration of, next question is that integration of cot x, integration of cot x into dx. See, this one also you can use that substitution method. So how to do this value? First of all, you write that cot x will be cos x whole divided by sin x, right, into dx. So all of you see this one. Here we take that put sin x is equals to t. Put sin x is equals to, this value is that t. Now derivative of the sin x is that what? Cos x. So this is the differentiating with respect to x. Cos x into dx is equals to, this value is that dt. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear this one. Now substitute this value, that is equals to integration of cos x into dx value. Here it is that dt. So dt whole divided by, sin x is equals to t. Now what is that integration of 1 by x into dx? Log x. So according to that you can write this value will be log t is that answer. So now what is that t value? Sin. So therefore log of sin x into sin x plus c. So integration of cot x value will be equals to what? That will be equals to, therefore integration of cot x into dx. Cot x into dx. This value will be equals to log of sin x plus c. This value will be log sin x plus c. So this is one of the important result while doing that next model level questions. So all of you please be remember, this is that derivative, how to derive that integration of cot x, right? Next, integration of cosecant x. We'll see the next question. Integration of, next one will be integration of cosecant x into dx. How to do this one? So integration of cosecant x means, so how to do this one? This one you can write that integration of multiply and divided with cosecant x into cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x whole divided by cosecant x minus cot x. So by multiplying and dividing with the same function, there is no change in that value. Okay, so now after this one, you take that cosecant x minus cot x is equals to t. See this one here, put cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x is equals to, this value is that t. Now differentiate this one on both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of the cosecant x? Derivative of cosecant x will be minus cosecant x into cot x, and cot x derivative will be minus cosecant square x, minus into minus plus cosecant square x into dx is equals to dt. Now here you take that cosecant x you take as the common. So if you take that cosecant x is the common, now the remaining value cosecant x into cosecant x minus cosecant x minus cot x into dx is equals to dt. Now you see this result will be, by observing this result will be, so in the given expression it is the numerator. Substitute in that value, that is equals to integration of dt whole divided by cosecant x minus cot x value is that what? T. So what is that integration of 1 by x value? Log x. So you can write this value will be log t. This value will be log t. So what is that a t value? Log of cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x. Okay, plus c. Now this is that one result. And next the same thing you can write that if you convert that a cosecant and a cot in terms of the sine and a cos, this one will be the log of 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x. So now here you see this one you can write that what is that LCM of this value? Sin x. You can write this value will be log of 1 minus cos x whole divided by sin x. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear this one. Plus c. You know 1 minus cos x, by using the trigonometry multiple and submultiples, you know 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta value, this one will be equals to 2 into sin square theta by 2. Sin square theta by 2. This is that one formula. Next here in the denominator, sin x is there. You know sin theta value, according to the trigonometry multiple and submultiple, you can write that 2 into sin of theta by 2. Sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. So now by using this result, here you can write that this value will be equals to log of 2 into sin square x by 2. Sin square of x by 2 whole divided by sin x value will be equals to 2 into sin of x by 2. Sin of x by 2 into cos of x by 2. Okay, plus this value will be plus c. Here you see in the numerator and denominator 2 is the common. 1 sin of x by 2 will be cancelled. So ultimately this result will be equals to what? Log of sin of x by 2 by cos of x by 2. This one will be equals to tan of x by 2. This one will be tan of x by 2 plus c. So finally what is that result of this one? Integration of cosecant x into dx. Cosecant x into dx. So what is that integration of this one? This value will be equals to log of, first result will be the cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Cosecant x minus cot x plus c. What is that another result? That you can write that a log of, this value will be the tan of x by 2. Another result will be tan of x by 2 plus c. Now while doing that problems in integration, wherever you require that integration of cosecant x, you can use that any of the result as per your comfortable. So I hope that everyone is clear this solution. So in the same way you can also find out that integration of secant x. Similarly you can find that integration of secant x into dx. So this one we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.